There's gonna be no Kid Chef show today. There's no more guest chefs.
I'm looking for the Kid Chef show.
Why, who are you?
Do you really want to know?
Billy Bob!
Yep, it's really me.
Well, why were you wearing that mask?
Well, the doctors reconstructed my face and they left a few scars. I hope it didn't scare you with the mask on.
No, you didn't scare me at all.
Ah!
So, where have you been?
I've been in Europe to learn how to be a master chef. You want to know how to cook some cinnamon bread?
Sure.
Today we're going to be making cinnamon bread. Randy, do you have some biscuits?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have 1 cup of sugar mixed with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon? Do you also have 1/2 cup of butter? And 1 cup of brown sugar.
Yes, I do. Right here.
Well, first you open up this bag and you put about 8 of the biscuits inside. Then you close up the bag. And then you shake it really good. Yeah. Okay. After that, you open up the bag again. Then you take them out and put them on this pan.
They look good.
Thanks. Let's see if there's any more. You always have to check if there's any more.
That's all, Billy Bob.
Okay. Since that's done, now you take these over here. Don't forget the pan. And then you scoop the butter in a spoon. It may stick a little bit. Okay, now that that's done, you turn the heat up to high. Well, once the butter starts boiling, you can add the sugar. And then you stir it up. Our syrup is done, we can put it on top of the cinnamon bread. Make sure to not just dump it everywhere. Okay, now that that's done, you can put it in the oven for about 350 degrees in about 20 minutes. So, this is what they should look like when they're done. Randy, would you like to have one with me?
Sure. Scrumptious.
Delicious.
It's great to have you back, Billy Bob.
Yeah, it sure is good to be back, my best friend.
You know, I really wasn't scared.
Right.
Ow.
Goodbye.